Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a PayPal for art commissions. First of all, you have to do is open your web browser and type in sign up for PayPal. Now click on the top search result to sign up for the PayPal. Now you will be given two options, personal or business. Now you have to make sure if you want art commissions. In order to do that, you can only receive art commissions in the business version or the business account of PayPal. You cannot receive on personal. So you have to make sure you have to select business, because you can accept more forms of payment, which also includes the art commissions. Simply click on get started. Now you have to give all the details, your socials, your first name, your last name, your country, your email and password, your phone number, and click on agree and create an account. Once you have created an account, your email address that you will use that same email address to receive your art commissions on your PayPal account. So that's simply how you can make a PayPal for art commissions. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.